Hi, I'm Joe Cunningham with your air conditioning company, and I want to thank you for being here to join us again as we move into part 4 of our 5-session series, talking about the 5 gas furnace parts that must be serviced and cleaned regularly so your furnace won't fail and stop heating your home. Now by now, most of you watching know that I like to begin with a really short review of our past programs, so I want to mention them quickly before starting. Now in session 1, if you remember, we discussed the air filter and how ignoring the filter can lead to heating breakdowns and costly repairs. On session 2, we went over the importance of inspecting, cleaning, and maintaining the combustion chamber, which is right here in your furnace, and how it needs to be opened and inspected every year by a professional so your furnace won't cause you any problems or costly repairs. In session 3, we learned about your flame-proofing electrode, which is a very important major safety device in your furnace, and how if it's not inspected and maintained, it can cause you to be without heat in your house. And now we're ready to jump headlong into session 4 and discuss another very important part of your furnace that's critical for operation, and that's your inducer fan assembly. And it looks like this right here. Now the fan assembly is a very important safety device in your furnace. It consists of the inducer fan blades, which are located in here, the inducer fan motor, which is right here, and the casing, which holds it in place. This assembly is the first in a vital series of safety devices designed to make sure your furnace is going to operate correctly. If this component doesn't operate properly, your furnace is not going to turn on and you're not going to have any heat. Now this inducer fan assembly is attached to your heat exchanger right here. And when it's working, its job is to create a vacuum pressure so all the unburned gases and carbon monoxide are pulled from inside of that heat exchanger and then pushed out of the flue pipe so you're safe. Now the inducer fan assembly also has 1 or 2 vacuum ports on it, just like this, that go to your pressure switch right here, which is the next device in the series of safeties in the system. Now because the inducer fan assembly itself is attached in here to the heat exchanger in the flue pipe, as the furnace operates, this component's going to go under periods of rapid heating and cooling, so condensation from the heating and cooling can easily form in this assembly. This condensation that will build up in here is full of minerals and impurities from the flue gas as it moves, and the impurities can clog either the ports in the inducer assembly right here or stop up these vacuum hoses, which lead to the second critical safety device in our furnace that I pointed out a second ago, called the pressure switch right here. Now if the hoses or the ports are stopped up, they won't allow vacuum pressure to come up here to the pressure switch, and this switch will not close. If this happens, an error message is going to be sent to the board that's going to shut this furnace down and no heat's going to be produced. Now if this type of shutdown occurs, the technician is going to have to come to your house and remove the assembly, then clean or replace it, and the vacuum tubes as well, to make sure that your furnace operates again and provides heat inside your home. Now this is one of those very crucial things that you positively must have inspected, cleaned, and maintained, or your furnace is going to leave you and your family sitting there and freezing. Now I've mentioned in our other videos that your furnace is a really amazing fixture. It works hard at keeping your family safe, warm, and comfortable, but cleaning and maintenance is critical to the operation and life and the ability to operate correctly, so it can last you for years to come. And as you can see from today's session, this inducer assembly is key to making your furnace turn on and run and provide heat. And if this does not work, your furnace is not going to run. And it's very important to have these parts inspected, cleaned, and serviced before the cold weather gets here by a professional, so it won't break down and leave you looking for some warmth. So please get these things we've covered checked out before the cold weather sets in. And as I've always said, if you have a company that you absolutely love, please give them a call to come and do this for you. Or if you'd like us to come check out your furnace, do the inspection, we would consider that an honor and a privilege. So again, thanks for allowing us to come into your home on this video, and if we can answer any questions at all or help you out with an inspection, please give us a call at 281-LOVE-AIR. We look forward to seeing you on our next episode.